Howdy. Today we are going to be programming a 2015 Nissan Rogue. And as the late great Steve Irwin used to say, danger, danger, danger. Hopefully we are successful and we don't break it. This is one of the ones that very commonly, you can break the BCM on. I believe it's 2014 to 2018 is the range for those. But let's see how it goes. Now I have a Rogue key, and I also have an X-Horse key. We're going to try to program both, just for fun, see what happens. Alright, and I've already gone to Nissan, and you just saw I selected 2015. Now we could do it the lazy way, which is the immobilizer status scan. I guess we'll do that. And I do got to turn my internet on the phone, so we might need a little bit of time here. So I got the hazards on. I'm not going to open and shut the door. I'm just going to turn the hazards off, turn them back on. I'm pretty sure that's just to make sure the BCM is awake. I'm going to have to go through the scan here. And these program pretty much just like any other Nissan. They're very similar. It's just for some reason, I guess the pin code is different, but as far as using the IM, it does all that in the background, so it's pretty similar. But I'm not sure what causes them to be so risky, why the BCM blanks out so bad. It must just be issues with it trying to write, and then it just fails to write it or something. Maybe it's just sensitive to the voltage levels in it or something. I have no idea. We're doing the status scan. As you can see, there's no faults. There's actually no keys in there either, and that's because the other day I tried to program one from American Key Supply. I don't know, from my last video I was complaining about it, but for some reason the key was bad, so they overnighted me a couple more, and that's why I have the X-Horse one as well, just in case this one's bad too, that I can see if the X-Horse one works or not. But that's why there's no keys in. Luckily yesterday I didn't brick it. It's still good. So hopefully we won't have any issues. I do have a battery box on there, and the battery box got decent voltage. So we are going to go ahead and start. It says it will erase all the keys. We want to continue, yes. I'm going to turn the hazards off again and turn them back on. And I'm also going to tap the start button. That just, make sure the BCM is alive and happy. So it wants me to, if I have a key, I have to put the original to the ignition. If I don't, then I have to place this one to the ignition, right? So I'm going to hit OK. And it should tell me to put this there very soon. Okay, so push the ignition switch once, and within 5 seconds, place this key to it. The ignition should then turn on, and we should see the smart key immobilizer light, flash a few times and whatnot. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK. And then we're going to turn this here. I pushed it. I held the key to it, and still nothing. Same as the last key. Right here, it should connect. So I'm going to try this one without resetting anything. And you see this one worked. So the X-Horse did work. The ignition is on. Now it wants me to turn off the ignition. Okay, turn off the ignition. I'm going to hit OK. Do you want to program the next one? No, I do not want to do that. We have a working one now. Press the start-stop button and attach the first learn smart key to the start-stop button within 5 seconds. Okay, so we're doing the same thing over. And there we see it come on. Okay, now we're going to turn it off. We're going to wait 3 seconds. That should be good. It's probably going to have me do it again. No, it didn't. It just start the engine. Yeah, it's good to go now. Well, now it says no key detected. There we go. Okay, so it's running right now, but it seems like the PROX function didn't work. So I might have the wrong... Well, keyless entry is working. Let's try it again. Nah, it's working now. Just had a little snag there. So X-Horse 2015 Rogue, no problem. Luckily, I did not brick it. For some reason, the American Key Supply Rogue key, you see 2014 to 2018. Maybe I bought the wrong one. I'm not sure if 2015 has multiple FCCs or not, but you can see there which one it is. It was the second one that they sent me. The first set, I was out here yesterday, didn't work, and they overnighted me a couple more, and this one also did not work. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. I'll have to call them and talk to them again. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it will help somebody out there. And I guess till next time.